Hello everyone, I hope you're all good. We've got a couple of things we're looking at today. I just thought I'd do a little video of some things I've found on the web, because that's what this channel is about really. We do a bit of coding, we look at tools. Anyway, getting into it, I found this thing called Git Animals. It looks quite fun. I haven't used it yet, but basically what it is you can have your pet in GitHub. And the way it works is you get this banner at the top, and I'm gonna show you that in a moment. And every time you write a commit, I think the way it works, yeah, so you acquire and grow pets through your GitHub activities, and there's a bunch of different pets you can choose from. Looks like there's quite a few users already. There's various different pets that you can have. Let's show some more pets. So this is the actual GitHub page. You can have a ghost or a sloth king. Sloth king sounds good. Oh, the fishman from SpongeBob. He's the one that's always angry, that shouts chocolate at people. Anyway, you can take a look at all of this and just to have some examples, let's have a look at a few of these. I think these are some repositories that have it. So you've got Git goods, and you can see they've got that's level 71, level 539. So I guess they start small, so they start quite small and they get larger. Here's one with loads of pets. So that's sort of our first tool, if you want to call it that. I guess you could call it a tool for motivating you. So yeah, go ahead and check that out. I've not actually used it yet. And maybe we can do that in another video. So that's that tool. I found this thing called Next Term, which I've not used. I thought we could try it out. They do have a preview, but I think you have to sort of do it manually. I did just check, so this is WSL. I wanted to check if I had Docker installed, which I do. So I'm wondering if to try it out, whether I can just straight up run this command. And if you're wondering how I got this robot in here, you can check out a video I did recently. I don't know what I called it, something to do with terminals. Unable to find the image, so it's downloading it. By the way, if you're here, leave a like, subscribe. We're gonna do some coding stuff in the new year. I've done some in the past, but I just want this to be about like things on the internet. It could be anything really, you know. So yeah, subscribe, and I'm trying to do videos every single day. I also like playing some games, but I don't know if I want to do gaming content. I might do. I love playing Anno 1800. Anyway, I'm just rambling whilst we're downloading. Just so we can see what this next term looks like. I guess we could do some reading. So next term is currently in early development and subject to change. It is not recommended to use it in a production environment. That's fine. It's just something that popped up. Okay, so this is taking a while. It's extracting now. Guess in the meantime, we can look at some more Git pets. I think we're almost there now, actually. Now, what I'm wondering is, I haven't used Docker in so long. Is that now running, and where is it running? How do we open this? I think these are separate commands, right? Open preview. Why did that not? Find distro. We recommend to activate the WSL integration in desktop settings. Okay. We're gonna use a little trick called ChatGPT will be able to sort this out. How can I view this in the browser after running that on WSL? Another thing I like to do is just doing it in front of you, right? So I don't like to hide all of that. It's easy to just sort of do it in advance. So we've got that running. So we just go to localhost 69. There you go. I kind of thought it was that, if I'm honest, but do we need to do this? Ugh. First name, Thomas. I feel like I'm just going to use something. Oh, we're going to have to register something. T something. And we're going to use like T something WAD. Not now. Cool. So this is what it looks like. Hi, welcome to Next Term, the open source server manager for SSH. Cool. What can we do with this? We're just exploring. I've never looked at this before. I have no idea what we can do. Development. First of all, I would utilities. I guess we can just look at all, see what we've got. Speed test and other stuff that records your internet speed for up to 30 days. Open source. Should we try that? No SSH servers available. That's fair enough. Thomas, welcome to Next Time Open Source Manager. Create folder. Create server. So I guess this is where we would have to have an actual server that we're running. That makes sense. So usually when you're using a VPS or something, you'll get an IP for that server, and then I guess this allows us to SSH into that. So that's it. I'm gonna probably make sure it's not running anymore. How can I make sure we can leave that for now? Let's go back to what we were looking at. I do get distracted, and the last thing I wanted to show you guys, I'll probably do a video on this because I thought it was quite neat. I found this thing called slidev, which I guess allows you to make presentations using markup. As you can see, it's a .md file, and get started. Is there a why? I feel like there was a video. Let's watch the video. It's going very quickly and there's no sound. What's with the quality, man? So, slide dev. So you start with a have some code snippets. So yeah, it's pretty much just a normal, like a markdown type thing, but I guess the idea is to make a sort of presentation or a slide. That was my understanding. So I might use that. Anyway, this was, yeah. I'll leave links for all of these things in the description. At the moment, I'm just sort of focusing on getting out content and exploring different things. We're going to do some coding as well. I've got loads of ideas, but leave a like, subscribe, and hopefully at least one of those things was somewhat interesting to you. Cool. Take care.